In this short video, I will show you how to check your blocked number on iPhone. To check your blocked message number or blocked call number, go to your iPhone settings app and here scroll down all the way to the bottom and tap on apps, and here scroll down and tap on phone. Once you are in phone settings, here scroll down and tap on blocked contacts, and here you will find the list of all blocked contacts. And to unblock any number from here, just swipe to the left side and tap on unblock, and the specific number will be unblocked. So that's how we can check our blocked number or blocked list on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.